Alright, so welcome back to the next video in the series of how to rank your YouTube videos at the top, or how do you get more subscribers and traffic from YouTube without actually spending money on advertising, right? So in this series we are talking about YouTube SEO. So what exactly are we trying to achieve, right? So when somebody says, let's say when somebody types in digital marketing salary, right? So you see the first two videos that pop out are my videos. Now I'm not paying YouTube anything for this, and so far I have driven almost about 15,000 views just from these two videos, which are sitting at the top, the first two for this particular keyword. And even if you type the keyword in India, right, you would see that they're sitting at the top. So every single day these two videos drive me a lot of traffic, new subscribers, and new leads for my business, so which is awesome, right? So that's what we are trying to achieve for you. Now a lot of people may ask you to stuff a lot of keywords in here, like you see now this is something that's been stuffed by keywords. Now I'm highly against doing that, although it may help you rank in the short run, but not a great idea in the long run. I'm somebody who believes in laying a strong foundation and then focusing on the core. So I don't get too nitty picky about things like stuffing in keywords and having a lot of keywords here and there, right? So you just want to have the basic stuff done, lay a strong foundation, and then focus on the core, which is actually delivering great content. Right, so in this video, now this is the next part. So far, what have we done? So I click here and then you go to my channel, and so far this is what we've covered. Now this is a new channel which is for me, which is about my personal brand and things that I love doing. So far you have a cover picture, you have your profile picture. Next you have your channel description. So at this point I haven't added the description, and then you uploaded one video, which was your channel video, right, which was to be shown to the new subscribers when they come in. So after you did that, the next thing you want to do is go here, and to go to the next step, it's important that you upload at least one video. Even if you don't have your video ready, make sure you upload any random video for your phone. We'll delete that later, but just to get your channel settings right, you need to be doing that. So upload one video and then go here, click on video manager. So next thing you want to set correctly is your channel setting, right? So you click on channel, that's what you want to do next, and then you want to click on upload defaults, right? So you want to set all these things correctly. So you want to keep this to public. Next you want to select a category. What is your channel about, right? Which category? So I would say for me it's about education. So whatever fits in for you, select the category, keep it to standard YouTube license. Now this is again upload defaults. So if you want your videos to rank for certain keywords, or if you want these specific words in the title of all the videos, so you would add them here. So I really wouldn't add the title default. Now this is the description part, right? So something that you see here, let's say, so this is the title of your video. So if you want something default here, and this is the description area, right? So whatever you write here. So now stuff like your Facebook page, your website, your phone number, your YouTube link, so all that should be a part of all videos that you post, the description of all the videos that you post. So then I would just copy this, and let's say if I want this to be a standard in all my videos, so you don't have to type it all the time, right? So if you copy paste that here, it will automatically appear in the description when you post your next video. Of course you can edit this, you can write more, but I don't want to type in my phone number, email ID, Facebook link all the time, right? So I will just change that. So the number would remain the same. This would change to my domain name, which is my personal blog, which would be karandharamc.com, and then the email would change to again my domain, and that's it. The phone number would remain the same, and of course if you have a Facebook group link, you also want to post that. Sorry. So next thing you want to have is tags, right? Again, this is important. These are like keywords, and when you add a tag into your video, which you'll learn about, so what you suggest to YouTube is, hey, these are the phrases that you think the video should be shown for, right? So it's just like when you it's a replica of using hashtags, right? It's an analogy. So when you're using hashtags on Instagram, you're literally telling Instagram that, hey, this is what my picture is about, right? So similarly, tags suggest to YouTube that this is what your video is about. So I would use some general tags which are applicable to all the videos. So for this channel, motivational video or motivational speaker, let's say short films, right? So that's what my channel is about. My channel is about short films and videos that inspire people and motivate them to do things. So yeah, so these are the ones that I would use, and these would be standard in all my videos. So if you want to allow people to comment, you can click this, or if you want the comments to grow on approval or moderation, you would keep that. So I'm okay with people commenting, even if it's good, bad, it doesn't matter. And if you're posting videos on YouTube, you have to assume that there's going to be a lot of negativity. So that's a part of YouTube's ecosystem. So if you're not cool with dealing with that, then keep it on approval basis, or else it's okay. And users can view rating for this video, right? So something like, when they see here the likes, the shares, and so they can view all of it. So if you're okay with that, just leave it as it is. Select a language. So if you want to select a specific language, you could. So just select English UK, and if you want your videos to be translated into different languages by other people, so I would just leave it to no for the time being, and I really wouldn't want to change anything here. Neither here. And video stats. So are you cool with other people being able to check the stats of your video? So if you go here and if you select stats, then people could actually see the performance of your videos. So if you're cool with that, it's okay, just leave it as it is, or just uncheck the box, right? And once you're done with that, you just click on save. And if you're watching this and if you already haven't subscribed to this channel, please do. I'm sure you would like the content, hopefully, right? So the channel name is Karan Dharamsi. Well, once you do that, next go to the featured content part. Now this is really important. A lot of people don't take advantage of this, and which I think is bad. You should absolutely come here and set a featured content or featured video, right? So you come here, select a video that you think should be your feature video. Now let's say I select this one to be my feature video, and just click on save. Now what this would do is, if you see, this is how it would appear on all your videos. So I have an example for you here. So towards the end of the video, right, this is a different video. If you see this pop up here, this automatically comes at the end of each and every video. So when your video is about to end, people could actually click here and go to this video, right? So that's like a featured video ad for you. So you absolutely want to have it so that people stick around and keep watching more of your videos, and the video that you think is important should be your featured video, right? So now you can have it at a custom start time. So I would rather have it at, let's say, most people won't hang till the end, so I could have it at 00 colon, let's say 10 seconds, right? And custom message. So you could have this, you could not have this. So for the timing, I don't want to customize it. I'll think about it and customize it this later. So I just update this, and the next thing I would do is go to your channel ad, Now this is a part of a YouTube program where YouTube will automatically promote your video depending on the algorithm, your content and how people are searching for it, and it may promote your video on other websites as a part of YouTube advertising program. So this is like free advertising from YouTube. Now they may not promote your video. It completely depends on algorithm and how awesome your video is and what's the search volume for your video content, right? So but it's always a good thing to select your channel ad, and you always want to have an ad. This is like free promotion from YouTube, so if you're getting one, why miss out on it? And again, you could select a particular video, and this has to be under 2 minutes, so you could just select or enter the URL of any particular video from your channel, right? So that's that. Once you're done with that, you come here, and if you want to protect your video, a lot of times people could just download your stuff and use it as their stuff, right? So the best thing to do is add a watermark, right? So you can upload a watermark, which is a file should be about 1 MB, and you could just upload anything, right? So upload a watermark and it'll always be on your video. So even if somebody is downloading and uploading it on their channel or using it themselves, at least you get the branding, right? So you always want to add a watermark. And then we come to some advanced setting. This is your channel keyword. First you select the country, so we select India. Next you select the channel keyword. So by selecting the channel keyword, you are typically telling YouTube that, hey, my channel is about these things, is about these keywords. So when users search for these keywords, please consider showing my videos, right? So let's say short films and motivational videos, right? So these are two things that I'm adding here. So you don't want to be doing anything here at this point. If you have Google AdWords account, if you're planning to advertise your YouTube videos, you just come here, link your Google AdWords account and get the code from your AdWords account. And this is where you have or link your website. So if you want the end cards and if you want people to be clicking on the box that appears here, and and they are redirected to your website, so you first need to verify your website, right? So just enter your URL here and then click on add. So you get a code, add that code on your website, and it's as simple as that. So if you want to take people to your website from your videos by adding end cards, which you'll learn about later, you can do that here. And this is where you just want to keep this on. You want to be appearing in recommendations, and of course if you want to hide your subscribers, you could hide so by saying do not display, or you could just say display my subscriber count, right? Either which ways. And if you want to track this through Google Analytics, you just come here and add the analytics ID. Once you do all of it, just click on save, right? So really important that you set your channel correctly so that you get maximum traction, and it increases the chances of your videos being shown naturally at the top, right? So really important from video SEO purposes and from YouTube SEO point of view. So this needs to be set up correctly. So make sure you set up these basic things. It's a one-time thing, and once you do it, you don't really have to worry about it, and it helps big time in ranking your videos, right? So I hope this was easy to do. So make sure you do it right away before you go to the next step, right? I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye bye.